Hey, what's up, guys? I'm out here today with my 3 most accurate rimfire rifles. My Kid, my Kimber 82, and of course the RimX. And what I've got is some unobtainium. This is Lapua Master L. It's an older series Lapua target ammunition that I stumbled my big ass up on. I'm gonna shoot this stuff, see if it works, and if it does, I'm fixing to buy everything that shop has, because they had about 2 bricks of it. I'm getting all that shit. If it'll shoot like a Lapua. Now, it's a little windy out here, but I'm gonna try to shoot in between the breezes and see if this stuff works. All right, let's kick this damn thing off with the old Kimber 82G. Oh boy. Oh, I may have done stumbled my big ass into something. Oh yeah, baby. I done found something. This damn wind's blowing about 7 or 8 miles an hour right over my shoulder, and it's still shooting like that. Oh, hell yeah. Keep going, baby. Okay, that may be the best group this rifle's ever shot. Okay, let's make sure it's not a fluke. We're gonna go again. 5 more, you little devil. All right, let's do it. You good shooting bitch. You keep doing your damn thing. I'm fixing to go stick everything they got at that shop. Everything. You bad motherfucker. This is easily the best this gun has ever shot. Ever. Way to finish up, bitch. All right, hang on. I'm fixing to change guns and we'll try it on something else. I'm digging this shit. By the way, guys, if you'll look down in the description below and go to my homepage on my channel, you'll see a ton of videos on this Kid rifle, on that RimX, and you're gonna see some more on this Kimber 82G. I bought it with that civilian marksmanship program. Man, I'm loving the shit out of that rifle, but honestly, up until today, this is the first time that it shot something that I thought I'm gonna keep it. Now, I'm keeping that damn thing. All right, we're on paper. Let's shoot a 5-shot with the Kid and see what it does. Come on, baby. All right, come on, darling. Make daddy proud. You good shooting motherfucker. Damn. Holy shit. All right, let's make sure that ain't a fluke either. Oh my God. Now I know guys are gonna ask me, hey man, where'd you buy that ammo? It's not gonna matter because I'm fixing to wipe their ass out. I'm headed there as soon as I leave here. It's some bitch a shoot, considering this is a semi-automatic now and it's doing that shit. All right, one more gun, the mighty RimX. Holy shit. RimX time. Here we go. Come on, baby. This son bitch is amazing. Last, we're going to get it in there, baby. You badass. Damn. Mwah. All right, baby. Let's show out a little bit. Fuck yeah, you did.